Nigerian woman warns against civilization impact on marriages sparks debate. Cooking up controversy. Moet Abebe's kitchen skills ultimatum sparks debate on gender roles. The agony of spinsterhood. Nigerian ladies heart-wrenching plea for a life partners at 40. Welcome to Akai Update. My name is Joseph Iyaji. Intensive tutorial for post-UTME, pre-degree, School of Nursing and JUPEP entrance exam is currently in progress at Akai Tutors Ile-Ife. Akai Tutors is located at number 67 Oduduwa College Road off Sabo Junction, Ile-Ife. Should you are interested, you can contact the management of Akai Tutors on 08038644328. Thank you. You can listen to the continuation of the news now. Thank you.
A Nigerian lady's emotional video has gone viral on social media, sparking a lot of conversation about the stigma and struggles of being single at 40. In a poignant post on social media, the lady poured out her heart, expressing deep frustration and sadness over her prolonged search for a life partner. The lady's desperate plea, 40 years I never see husband marry. God help me has resonated with many, highlighting the societal pressures and expectations placed on women to be married by a certain age. Critics argue that this stigma perpetuates harmful gender stereotypes and reinforces the notion that a woman's worth is tied to her marital status. Others see the video as a reflection of the country's failing marriage culture and the need for a more supportive environment for singles. As the debate rages on, one thing is clear, the lady's emotional plea has struck a chord, and it's time to confront the realities of spinsterhood in Nigeria. Cooking up controversy, Moet Abebe's kitchen skills ultimatum sparks debate on gender roles. Nigerian media personality Moet Abebe has ignited a firestorm of controversy with her recent podcast appearance, where she declared that she would only consider dating men who possess advanced culinary skills. Her statement has sparked a heated debate on gender roles and expectations in relationships, with many listeners and social media users weighing in on the issue. Moet's assertion that men must be skilled cooks to catch her interest has been met with both support and criticism. Some argue that her expectations are reasonable, given the importance of shared domestic responsibilities in a relationship. Others see her stance as perpetuating harmful gender stereotypes, placing undue pressure on men to conform to traditional masculine norms. Nigerian woman warns against civilization's impact on marriages, sparks debate. A Nigerian woman, Chinyere Jacinta, has taken to social media to share her views on maintaining traditional marital roles, sparking a heated debate. In a Facebook post, Jacinta urged young married women to resist the influence of modern civilization on their marriages, emphasizing the importance of recognizing their husbands as the heads of the household. However, critics argue that Jacinta's views perpetuate harmful gender stereotypes, reinforcing patriarchal norms that undermine gender equality. They contend that her stance disregards the importance of mutual respect, partnership, and shared decision-making in a marriage. Others see Jacinta's post as a reflection of the ongoing tension between traditional values and modernization in Nigerian society. As the debate rages on, it remains to be seen whether Jacinta's views will resonate with or alienate the wider audience. In a world where gender roles are constantly evolving, one thing is certain: Jacinta's post has ignited a crucial conversation about the future of marriage and relationships in Nigeria.
That's true. Thank you for joining me in this segment of my news headline. My name is Joseph Iyaji, and this is Akai Update. Please subscribe to this channel to be promptly notified of our subsequent update. Thank you.